Are you ready to relax like never before, anywhere, anytime? Meet your new outdoor best friend, the QuadStyle folding camping chair. It sets up in seconds. No tools required. Made with high-quality waterproof Oxford cloth and a high-strength steel frame, this chair is built to handle real adventures. It's compact but strong, supporting up to 150 kilograms with ease. And at just 2 kilograms, it's light enough to take anywhere. Relax into the fully cushioned seat and backrest, designed for serious comfort. Need a drink? The oversized insulated cup holder keeps it close and cool. Extra room, extra comfort. When it's time to pack up, just fold and go. It fits neatly into the included carry bag and into most car trunks. No hassle. Perfect for camping trips, beach days, tailgate parties, or just relaxing in your own backyard. Wherever you go, this chair goes with you. Why settle for less when you can sit in style, comfort, and durability? Click the URL link in the description to get your folding camping chair today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome outdoor gear.